There is a magical being in the universe that swallows everything. It's a black hole, where even light can't escape. But what if there was a white hole that emitted everything, the opposite of this black hole? And if these two beings collide, who will win? This imaginary showdown will go down as the biggest fight in space. And the ending is much simpler and more overwhelming than we expected. There are two opposite celestial bodies in the universe. One is a black hole that absorbs everything, and the other is a hypothetical celestial body that spews everything, a white hole. A black hole is a hole in space-time where gravity is so great that even light cannot escape, which is known to be the most destructive being in our universe. The name black hole was created when an audience member suggested, "Just call it a black hole easily," after a scientist named John Wheeler repeated the long and complex expression of gravitically completely collapsed object in a lecture. White holes, on the other hand, were imagined as celestial bodies that emit everything, unlike black holes that absorb everything. This concept was proposed by Russian astrophysicist Igor Novikov in the hope that there might be a phenomenon opposite to that of a black hole. If a black hole absorbs energy, then a white hole is a thing that emits energy. At one time, there was an imagination that the white hole would be the outlet through which the material absorbed by the black hole came out through. The wormhole. Black holes have already succeeded in photographing humans, and their existence has been scientifically proven. But white hole has never been observed yet. Its existence is only theoretically possible, and in reality, it remains a result of some kind of thought experiment. There was only one incident in the past that was thought to be white hole. That's the discovery of quasar. Scientists who saw the brightest and most powerful light emanating from the universe were thrilled that it might be a white hole. However, further studies have shown that the enormous energy of quasars actually stems from supermassive black holes. In the process of consuming matter, a black hole centered on a quasar emitted a huge amount of light as gravitational energy turned into light energy. So, what would happen if these two opposing beings collided in space? Just like a huge martial arts competition in space, many people wondered the outcome of the fight, and I predicted the results through computer simulation. Surprisingly, the ending was very overwhelming. This collision can be compared to the continuous water coming out of the faucet, but the drain is functioning normally and continuing to absorb water. Even if the white hole continues to emit energy, the powerful gravity of the black hole devours it all. In other words, the ultimate winner is the black hole. As a result, the black hole, which absorbs all of the energy of the white hole, becomes huge, and the two celestial bodies merge into one supermassive black hole. Scientists predict that this absorption process will take at least thousands of years to complete. As such, the existence of white hole remains a mystery. Stephen Hawking also argued that black holes can emit light as they lose mass. This suggests that what we thought white holes could do may in fact be one characteristic of black holes. But some scholars still don't give up hope for white hole. They argue that the Big Bang, where the universe was first born, may be the phenomenon in which the white hole exploded and poured out all the material and energy. Is there really a black hole at one end of the universe that swallows everything and a white hole that spills everything out at the other end? The answer remains another secret that the universe kept.